Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, the West Indies have taken a 1-0 lead in their three-match one-day international series against New Zealand following a 5-wicket win in the opening match on Wednesday at day-night encounter at the Kensington Oval in Barbados. Chasing 191 for victory, the West Indies endured 2 rain breaks before eventually achieving the win at 193 for 5 of 39 overs. The Windies were led to victory by Shamar Brooks, who made 75 and shared in a 75-run fourth-wicket partnership with captain Nicholas Perrin, who made 28. Shea Hope also made 26. Jamaica's Jermaine Blackwood 12 and Jason Holder 13 were at the crease when the home team reached its target with 11 overs to spare. Tim Southey and Trent Bolt took 2 wickets each for New Zealand. It was the first time New Zealand have been dismissed in an ODI since March 2020. The second ODI takes place on Friday, also at the Kensington Oval. And after encountering flight challenges, Harbourview players Trevon Reed, Amal Knight and Colorado Murray arrived in Austria earlier today as the Reggae Boys get set for a 4-team tournament starting on Sunday. After leaving Jamaica on Monday, the 3 players had to remain in Atlanta in the USA for several hours after being told by immigration authorities that they would not accept a Schengen visa for the trip. Now, the players minus Reed, Knight and Murray trained for 90 minutes this morning without issues, according to an update from the team's press officer. An additional 3 players are scheduled to arrive on Friday, while veteran Adrian Mariappa will arrive on Sunday. 2 of the other teams, Qatar and Morocco, are also in Vienna, while Ghana are scheduled to arrive today. And back locally, Real Mona have taken sole leadership of the Cassava Championship following their 2-1 win over Constant Spring at the Stadium East Field on Wednesday. Real Mona went ahead after 9 minutes when Nickel Graham scored. They extended that lead after 63 minutes when the veteran Griffin Brown converted a penalty. Constant Spring were able to cut the margin by half when Javier Wilmot got their consolation goal in the 75th minute. Meanwhile, in the Major League, Maxfield and 10-man Bull Bay played to a 1-all scoreline. Shavar Morrison gave Bull Bay a 23rd-minute lead before they were reduced to 10 players in the second half. With the man advantage, Maxfield were able to level the score in the second half, and this in added time through a strike from Elston Foskin. Bull Bay are second in the league on 12 points, with Maxfield a point behind in third. Elsewhere, in a rescheduled championship game, Santos and Brownstone played to a goalless draw. And Jamaica completed the three-peat at the 19th North American Regional Powerlifting Championships in Panama City after Captain Javon Da Costa landed gold in the men's 93 kg weight category on Wednesday evening. After gold medal performances from Scott Jennings and Sammy De Paz, Da Costa took the lead early in his weight class with the execution of 265 kgs or 584.22 pounds on his third round attempt in the squat. He kept that lead by topping the bench press section after completing a third round lift of 197.5 kilograms. As for the deadlift, that discipline saw him open with a 300 kg lift, which he got under wraps the second time around. Acosta then closed his outing with a 315 kilogram lift to further stamp his class on his counterparts. With that lift, his accumulated total came to 777.3 kilograms. And that's it for your midday sports report. Javon, it's back to you.
Thanks, Renato, and that's where we'll have to leave things for the Midday News package. Join us next at 7 p.m. for Prime Time News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, I'm Javon Keys. Good afternoon.